Hello, beautiful ladies. Today I'm going to show you my extensions and how to put them in. These are really cool. I got them on Amazon. I have paid for the Halo hair extensions like $350 before, and I found these on Amazon for $60, and they're just as good. So I'm going to show you how to put them in. So first thing you want to do is make a clean parting. So I might have to look over here for a second, but you want to go like an inch or two back from your forehead, and you want to go like in a halo around your head, dipping down in the back like this. Okay, and you're going to take this hair and put it up in a clip or a bun or whatever you see fit. And then you're going to take the extensions. These are balayage, so they're darker at the roots. They're actually a little bit darker than my hair, but it was hard to tell on Amazon the colors. So whatever, they're only $60, so I was happy just to get them close to the right color. Then you take the wire and put it right there on that part that you made at the top of your head. And there's little clips on here, so you don't want them to get caught in the back of this hair, but you want to keep this wire down while you put them on. So make sure that the clips are unclipped and that they don't get into this hair up here. So now it's down. This is up in the front. So now you can press down on the clips. 1, 2, clips are in. So yeah, it's just darker, but it really doesn't matter. It doesn't look that bad. Voila! It's in. So you're going to want to style it now. You're not going to want to go out with it looking like this. So I'm going to take my, I think this is a 2-inch barrel iron. It's pretty big. And I'm going to start curling my hair back. And I'm going to try to incorporate the extensions, a bit of the extensions with a bit of my hair. And start to curl it pretty high, leaving this out. And then slowly let go. Keep going down. And then I always leave out the last, inch or two. Look how good it blends. Same thing, a little bit of extensions, a little bit of my hair. Pulling it out all the way down. Leaving out this little bit. Look at that. Just amazing. $60. Amazing. You can tell I'm amazed. This one I'm going to try to get some of the extension, but I don't think I can, so I'll just leave it, which is fine. I actually have another set of extensions coming that's 2 inches shorter, so it'll give me a layer in between my hair and this hair, so it'll look a lot better. But since I was doing it right now, I thought I'd show you.
Hey.
Hey. Do you need some help, Lovey? Can you send the dumbwaiter back up so I can put the hot food in it? Getting ready for a party. Not a party, just dinner party on the deck with a beautiful couple we haven't seen in a while. But look at this. Look how this matches. It's incredible. And I always leave out the bottom. I always start at the top. Yes, my love. Will you send it back down because the hot stuff's still in the warmer, right? Did you hear me?
Yes.
Thank you. Now for side 2. I like all the different colors in my hair. I don't want it to match and look like it's all one color. So they're perfect. And I can't even feel them. I just pull them out at the end of the night. And like those taped ones that they say don't damage your hair, they do damage your hair. And you know it because when you take them off, there's tons of your hair in it. This, none of your hair is in it. And you take it out at night so you don't have to sleep with all that stuff in your head. And you can have shorter hair sometimes and longer hair other times. That's the beauty of extensions. I'm trying to go fast because my friends are going to be here in 10 minutes. But I figured since I was doing this, I thought I'd show you. So I will link this hair down below, and the curling iron, and the hairspray, and the hair shine, and all the other hair stuff that I use. But I mean, you can have hair that's 2 inches longer overnight. You know Amazon will deliver to you tonight. You could straighten this and make it look really pretty too. Or you can use one of these, I like these barrel irons. These are really good too. But you definitely can't just leave it because it won't look very good. I don't know, it's just nice to have a change. And when we go on the cruises, I love to have long hair. I don't know why. When we go out at night, it makes me feel like, I don't know, like, especially because if I wear low cut stuff, then I can kind of wear my hair down and it makes me feel more confident. My all-time favorite drink, I'm drinking champagne with vodka soaked raspberries. I've talked about it before, but you just take the frozen raspberries from Trader Joe's, put them in a mason jar or Tupperware, whatever you have, cover them with vodka, and they taste so good. And when you pour your champagne, you take a spoon and put like a spoon or 2 full of the vodka, and the vodka by then is pink, and then a couple of the raspberries, and I feel like the vodka just kind of mellows out all the bubbles in the champagne, which is nice. So now I have a little bit of hair in the back to do. Again, I'm going to try to go up here and mix some of mine with it, like that. In my dressing room, so I'm sorry if it's not very pretty in the background, but I couldn't do this in the garage. I didn't have enough mirrors. Almost done. Doesn't take that long, does it? See where my hair ends and this hair starts. But once you curl it or straighten it or barrel iron it, you don't even notice. I'm really happy with these extensions. I haven't washed them yet, so I can't say, but to tell you the truth, I'm not going to wash them. There's so much work. I'm just going to keep them clean. And it seems like once you start washing them, then it's a nightmare. So I'm not going to wash them. And I forgot to do some of the curls forward, but I'll do this one forward. I mean, it's been 9 minutes, but hello, like, is that just so cute? I can't see the back, but I gotta go, so I'm banking on it being cute. And then I will spray. I always spray right here, otherwise I get the McDonald arches. I spray right here because of the flyaways. And then I'll just spray the curls. I'll let that dry, and then I'll come back and spray with some shine spray, and then I'll pull it all apart. Thanks for watching.